Okay, please tell me, why am I crying over sewing instructions? I don't understand half of the lingo. The pocket situation is a full-blown nightmare, and honestly, the waistband instructions may as well be written in alien. Hello, friends and family. How... I'm sorry, but I just can't record like this. This house needs a makeover before I start recording. Now that's a vibe. Anyway, how are you? How are things? Anything fun happened when I was away? Wait, there is a massive pigeon outside my window. It's on the garage. Oh my goodness, you look like a chicken. What are you? Wait, is that a falcon? We have falcons now. I have been debating with myself what to do this week. Since I feel a bit rusty with filming, I thought I would start with something low pressure. Ease back into things, you know? And what is more relaxing than asking my dog to help me out this week. Today we are doing blind pattern pull. And Kromka, who's not here, but you're gonna see her soon. And just a heads up, she's so big right now. It's not the same dog. She's gonna help and she's going to pick a pattern for me. And I need to commit and make actually what she picked. There's also another plot twist. So the plot twist is that I will need to use the fabric stash that I already have and any of the clothes that are too big for me. Is this a good idea? Probably not. But I feel adventurous. You know, maybe it's also the self-hatred I have for myself this week because I have been drinking so much Red Bull to stay awake for the last couple of days. And I think the indigestion and my brain chemistry, everything packed together is just impacting my judgment. So let's get moving. So the rules are simple. Gaugi, you can participate if you want. Listen to me. You need to pull 2 patterns from this beautiful basket. But don't take the basket. You need to pull 2 patterns. And Mama is going to sew whatever you're gonna pick. Is that okay? She went back to sleep. Which pattern do you want? You just need to touch it with your nose. This one? Trousers! Yay! Are you sure this is a pattern? Oh no! These are pants that have a shaped yoke, mock, fly zipper closing, buttoned waistband with a belt carrier, and carriers? Patch pockets, don't eat the pattern, top stitch, whatever, blah 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 blah. Anyway, they're trousers, so I'm not sure if I'm ready for this, to be honest. We're gonna put this aside. Okay, second pattern. Gaugan, we need to pull one more. Which one? This one? Gaugi, this one? A blouse. A very loose-fitting buttoned shirt in 2 lengths. Has extended shoulders, collar, short sleeves, and a choice of 1 or 2 buttoned patch pockets. So it should be pretty easy. Well, easier than trousers, so that's a plus, right? Here's my magical stash of fabrics and also some clothes that I can use this week. It's not too big, but I think we should be okay. So for the blouse, I was thinking, that we can use some of the corduroy. I also have a second candidate, and it's this yellow, a bit slippery fabric, which could be a bit of a challenge, but I'm here to learn. So I think that would be an amazing learning opportunity. As for the trousers, I don't know. I have no idea. I have a lot of this fabric. This Amish-like looking dress is also quite big. Or I could do like a little collage moment and stick all those pieces of tiny fabrics together. Make, how they're called? It's like this Japanese technique. I think it's called Sachiko, or maybe it's Boro or Morike, which basically means I will turn into a little patchwork witch or like I lost battle with a kilt. Nah, too much work. I think I will just use this little funky fabric. What do we think? I think it's absolutely precious. We have tiny little lambs here. We have chickens. We have some marmalade. A little teapot. A little bread moment. If the trousers could taste, this would be like an amazing 70s snack. Bell peppers and bell bottoms, you know? Yeah, anyway, I think I should get to work. Today is definitely not my day. I woke up with a Y2K parting in my hair. The weather has been quite stormy since early morning. Honestly, I think I should have stayed in bed. But here I am, ironing this beautiful piece of fabric. And wondering if I have enough fabric actually to finish this whole project. My dude, this is like really, really hot. You shouldn't touch that. So I didn't record much yesterday because I spent the entire day unpicking stitching from old clothes and from this curtain. Gaugi, I know this is very uncommon for me to iron anything in this house, but this needs to be done today before I start cutting anything. It was a very mundane task, quite boring. It kind of hypnotized me into a nap. And you know, now I see the result. Like this corduroy, for my liking, is a bit too, well, not squarish enough. Yeah, I don't think I can cut the shirt out of it. So maybe it's time for me to crawl back to the fabric stash.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, please tell me, why am I crying over sewing instructions? I don't understand half of the lingo. The pocket situation is a full-blown nightmare, and honestly, the waistband instructions may as well be written in alien. Can I actually do this? I really don't know, to be honest. I did promise to sew anything that I will pull during the blind pull, but maybe this is a bit too much for my current skills. Right now, I just feel very overwhelmed, you know, like properly overwhelmed. Should I end the video here? Roll credits. Yeah. No, we are doing this. Mama didn't raise a quitter, okay? I am so sorry about yesterday. I was a little bit silly, a little goofy goof. I reread everything today with a calmer head, and I think I should be fine. I just need to take a step-by-step approach, and it's gonna be okay, I think. I hope. My super simple shirt is unfortunately in peril, but that's a tomorrow's problem, not today's. So today's task is cut all the pieces from the pattern, because I still didn't do that. Also, resize the pattern because it's a size too small. I didn't notice that before. I even made like a paper ruler to help me with that, so I will just resize as I cut. That's the joy of thrifted patterns. Either pieces are missing or someone gets creative with editing a pattern. Looking at you, Gladys. Or sometimes they are just a size too small. Hello, what do you have here? Why are you eating wool? Mister, this is trash. Enough blabbering. Time to ruin my day by cutting this trouser pattern from a very complicated patterned fabric. What a way to start the day, huh? I'm a little dum-dum. I did sew the pockets the other way around. And I discovered that after an hour, so good job me. Amazing. But it's fixed now. Just look at my beautiful seams. I'm really proud of them. I think they look wonderful and I cannot stop touching them. It's really satisfying when something is like really nicely done and very symmetrical. I'm doing well, I think. I'm plowing through. Although, I think I've got the plague. I'm still testing negative though, so I don't know. Can you tell that I'm sick? So either I'm fine and just being a little bit dramatic about the changing seasons, or I invented a new medieval plague. Back to the sewing, I guess. What a day.
And better emphasize, starting with a thorough development task. I read the manuscript in full and provided both inline comments as well as thorough feedback. I was shocked by how many elements tailored on the student and teacher site, looking for VC funding for her business.
Thousands of tears later.
Kromka, come here for a second. Show me what you've got. She has a plastic bottle that she loves to chew on, and she's running around with the plastic bottle at the moment. As the great Shakira once said, them hips don't lie. Good for her, but mine clearly do. I have no idea. Now Gaugi is trying to eat the bottle. So I have no idea what's going on. Around my hips, I have those weird bulbous shapes. Yeah, they're sticking out quite a bit. Maybe I am panicking prematurely, but this is not looking great. Yeah, I'll try to fix it. I will really try to fix it. But I won't be finishing the seams properly. They're just gonna be a temporary seams because I think there's a lot of fixing to do. I fear the fever is kicking. Yeah, it's kicking my bum right now. And the weather is awful. It's not helping. 1 second, it's dark outside. The second, it's quite sunny. Gaugi is biting the bottle right now. Yeah, make it make sense. The weather, and also make it make sense. I think I need to address an elephant in the room, and I know that for some people that could be a bit problematic. But you know, this is a sewing video and size matters. And honestly, don't think I know mine anymore. I measured 3 times and the original size was way too small. But now, looking at these, I think I would absolutely fit into a smaller size. Obviously, these trousers are way too big, but honestly, I'm quite happy with them. I'm really happy because, now I have a nice pair of lounging trousers. The only disaster would be maybe the zipper. Probably you've seen it in the video. There's a massive hole beneath my button and belly button. Yeah, I just need to change the zipper and that's it. I should be fine and dandy. For someone who's only starting their journey with sewing and decided to make trousers, I think I did a decent job. The front pockets maybe are a little bit all over the place, but you didn't hear that from me. I'm really happy with these. I really am. And I would love to actually redo them in a year's time and see if I'm better at sewing. Did my skills improve? I think it could be a fun redo my old makes challenge video. But you will need to remind me about this in a year's time because I'll probably forget. The only thing that I'm really bummed about when it comes to this whole video is the blouse. I just didn't have time. I was knocked out for 2 days straight and I was just staying in bed, working from home. Yeah. Next time, because I'm really curious how easy are the Easy McCall's patterns. So, what do you think? Do you like the pattern? You don't like the pattern? Please comment under the video, or if you don't want to comment, just leave a bird emoji or any autumny emojis like leaves or something, because that really helps channel visibility. Or subscribe. I don't know. I'm not your mom. Oh, also, almost forgot. It's my YouTube anniversary. A whole year of this channel, which is absolutely wild. I never managed to keep a diary or a calendar for more than a month. And that was Gaugi. Here I am. A year later, still uploading, still having fun. Oh, I actually rewatched my first ever video recently and oh my goodness. Oh, my old camera had a built-in beauty filter. My face looks so weird. I didn't notice at the time because I wasn't used to seeing myself on a camera or, on my computer. So it's just so grotesque. And the sound quality. And the sound quality. I'm really so sorry. Should I delete those old videos? What do you think? Anyway, we'll see each other in 2 weeks. With a Halloween themed video. I actually have 2 Halloween themed videos planned. I'm not sure which one is gonna come out first, but they're in the making. As always, thanks so much for my wonderful patrons, Galaxy Media, Beth K, and Melissa Marie. If you would like to join them, you can do that. All my links are here on the screen right now or in the description below. Take care of yourselves, especially now when it's getting colder and everyone is catching something. Drink your tea, wrap yourself in blankets, and stay cozy. Bye. Oh, there's so many snacks here stashed away. Yeah, Ow. Ow. Ah! What I wanted to say? Yeah, Kronka is stashing away her snacks, just to hide from her brother, and I think I found her secret place. It's behind, this armchair. I think this is the source of this weird smell as well, so, Discovery Day.